Okay, tonight we're going to be going over our product presentation, and I am recording this, so I hope you all enjoy it. At the end of the call, I will be opening up the lines for testimonies, and then we will close off the call and have you go back to the person that introduced you to our program. First, let me tell you a little bit about the history of scalar energy. Scalar energy was proposed by James Clerk Maxwell. 50 years later, Nikola Tesla was able to demonstrate the existence of scalar energy. It was also validated by Einstein. And then 1 century later, the exploration of scalar energy's potential is incredible. And so it's very interesting to know that Nikola Tesla actually worked for a company called Westinghouse, and he was able to run a generator without any wires. The problem that Westinghouse had with that is that they could not charge. They couldn't find a way to charge for this scalar energy. So therefore, they pretty much canned his research. Now, the scalar energy pendant is based on the latest discovery in quantum science. Scalar energy has always existed since the beginning of time. However, it's only recently that scientists have discovered it and began to make real use of it. The scalar energy pendant is made of over 70 natural minerals, is fused and molecularly bonded by means of nanotechnology. This fusion of minerals produces the scalar energy. The scalar energy in the Realfit Solutions pendant enhances the bioelectric field of our body. And let's talk about scalar energy pendant and clumped blood cells. Studies conducted at Max Planck Institute showed that scalar energy, when applied to living cells, promoted unclumping of cells. In a diseased state, or an injury where there is swelling and stasis in blood and lymphatic circulation, red and white cells tend to clump together. When scalar energy is applied on the human body, the scalar wave both improves the biofield radiating outside the body and works internally, permeates the body's tissue, so it unclumps the blood cells. This expansive effect causes relaxation and dilation of the peripheral blood vessels in the human body. This, together with the unclumping of cells, enhances the overall circulation. So when the scalar energy is applied, it unclumps the cells, and that's when the swelling goes down. Let's talk about unhealthy cells. Scalar energy facilitates unclumping of cells and enhanced circulation. This allows the fluid to flow rapidly, delivering nutrients to the cells and carrying waste away from the cells. The scalar energy also improves the permeability of cell walls. Enhanced permeability helps facilitate the intake of nutrients into each and every cell, and it also aids the elimination of toxins from the cells, so it detoxifies your body. Scalar energy and aging. The optimum function of all body organs and effective body function depends on mitochondria for energy production. When a mitochondria become dysfunctional, cells begin to lose the ability to produce energy effectively. Scalar energy in cancer. Scalar energy has the abilities to increase the energy potential, which is the transmembrane potential of the cell. Scalar energy can bring the energy level to the optimum 70 millivolts. Cancer cells are low energy cells, which they function on 15 millivolts. So it proliferates to ensure survival. So it functions on a lower cell count. By raising the cell voltage with scalar energy, the cell in question will no longer need to proliferate uncontrollably, hence retard the proliferation of cancer cells. Let's talk about scalar energy and DNA. Scalar energy can increase the energy equivalent level of every single hydrogen atom in the body to its optimum energy potential. This fact has always been verified by spectrographs. This finding is important as covalent hydrogen bonds are what hold DNA together. Scalar energy strengthens chemical bonds within DNA, making it more resistant to damage, so it strengthens your DNA. Scalar energy in the nervous system. The nervous system is extremely sensitive to electromagnetic frequencies from the environment. We know that we're constantly being bombarded by these fields of energy, whether it's at home or work or computers or cells or microwaves or anything else. This frequency is able to interfere with the proper function of the nervous system, in turn lead to a disturbance of the body's homeostasis. There is evidence in the medical field that links diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's when man make electromagnetic radiation. Symptoms such as headaches, lack of concentration, depression, frequent cold, hyperactivity in children, sleep disturbances, irritability can be the result of electromagnetic stress. Scalar energy and the nervous system. Scalar energy's expansive and circular movement offers a field of protection around the body. See, in an attempt to further safeguard the body, the subtle energy system maintains its energy sensitivities by not allowing these harmful energies to disorientate the body's system. In other words, it protects you. Bottom line, it protects you against the EMF waves. Let me give you the top 10 benefits of the scalar energy pendant. It removes inflammation. It increases oxygen supply to bloodstream. It cleanses blood of toxins. It helps fight cancer, as cancer cells are low energy cells. It strengthens our DNA and protects it from damage. It decreases water surface tension, which leads to absorption and assimilation of nutrients and removal of toxins from cells. It improves mental focus and balance. It can detox every cell in our body. It enhances energy by changing our cells to the right healing frequencies up to 70 to 90 millivolts. Now, the next few minutes, we're going to go in and cover the amazing benefits of the liquid zeolite fit. This amazing cellular liquid zeolite fit all-in-one formula helps your body maintain optimum alkalinity, proper normalized pH levels, and helps supercharge your immune system so it can defend your body against a broad range of bacterial infections, chronic conditions, and viruses. It helps support a strong immune system and reduces toxic overload by removing the toxins, chemicals, and heavy metals. It can help to reduce signs of aging, improve their skin's texture with softer, smoother, younger looking skin. Also, our liquid zeolite fit has a special proprietary process purified water, which is energy enhanced structured living water, which is a lighter, wetter water and has a high hydrogen bond angle. This living water is the only water on the planet that has the ability to remove disease markers from drinking water. Its patented process also removes pesticides, herbicides, chemicals, toxins, heavy metals, and even drug residues. Using the purest form of natural volcanic zeolite, a highly credentialed and regarded research scientist has discovered how to naturally place volcanic zeolite into a solution of 100% organic bioactive humic acid without the use of chemicals. I like to call this the liquid scalar energy because it's pretty much made very similar to our pendant. Unlike water-based zeolite solutions, which require the addition of chemicals and application of heat treatment to liquefy the zeolite in liquid zeolite fit has been naturally digested and absorbed directly into the molecular structure of the humic acid, making it easily and completely accepted by the human body. And it's been processed in such a way that it can never withdraw necessary minerals or elements from your body, only the harmful ones. In fact, it actually helps to remineralize your cells. Liquid zeolite and your pets. Now, dogs have long been considered man's best friend. I know many of you have cats. That's okay. Our pets, right? Many people care for their dogs as well as cats, birds, snakes, rabbits, horses, and fish as precious companions, even beloved members of the family. To ensure good health in their pets, owners provide high-quality organic foods. We give them nutritional supplements. We take them to veterinarians, most of us. Owners don't want to see their pet suffer from illness or injury any more than a parent does a child. However, why is the incidence of animal disease rising? Why are veterinarians seeing more cases of cancer, heart disease, liver disease, diabetes, and allergies than ever before? Owners don't realize that their pets are being exposed to the same environmental toxins which are invisible to the naked eye, but can create havoc in the bodies of both animals and humans. So how do toxins affect pet health? Because the toxins are invisible, they are not easily avoided. Likewise, their effects do not surface immediately, so that damage done does not necessarily deter repeat exposure. Scientists are discovering that continued exposure to common non-lethal toxins can negatively affect major body systems. The constant exposure to everyday chemicals can result in a toxic body burden. Then the body can no longer effectively rid itself of toxins, resulting in disease. So in other words, the more toxic overload you are, the harder it is to remove toxins from your body. However, liquid zeolite can help. It can help improve the general state of health. It detoxifies the body by removing heavy metals and toxins. It helps remineralize the body. It acts as a free radical reducer. It prevents premature aging. It acts as a powerful anti-inflammatory. It supports immune system function. It helps reduce cancer risk. It reduces symptoms of allergies. It may improve your mood. It helps balance pH. It boosts energy levels. It helps diabetics. It helps people, even if you are in good shape, you need this product. It increases vitamin and mineral absorption. It's safe for long-term use. It's 100% natural. It contains no additives, no chemicals. It's easy to take. There's no taste and no smell. So that concludes our product presentation for this evening. What I'd like to do is open up the lines in a second, as soon as I finish this recording, for any testimonies.